everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Stunning car. I bought this car locally. Super guy, man. Aaron's just a great guy. Unfortunately, because of his health, he had to sell the car. He built this car 10 years ago. It's got 4,400 miles on this car. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's a Dupont Warp Speed blue metallic. Looks a lot like Le Mans blue. It's got Corvette Arctic white striping on it. It's got a set of 16-inch Hot Wheels, 5-spoke wheels all the way around it. 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautifully done, man. Guy poured his heart and soul in this car. It's a great car. ZZ4 aluminum headed 350 motor in it, 700R4 overdrive trans, 12 bolt 411 posi rear end, vintage heat and air. Beautiful, beautifully done car, man. And unfortunately, like I say, he had to sell it. I went up and actually bought it from him yesterday. But just a great car. There's not a whole lot that I can really pick on it, guys. And like I say, it's been done for 10 years. Just did a great job, and he's really just maintained the car. Just a beautiful car. It's got the cowl hood. Again, this blue is it's really a lot like Le Mans blue is how I would describe it. As you kind of walk around it too, it kind of changes just a little to a little bit darker as you kind of walk around it, but it's not a flip-flop paint or anything like that. Car runs and drives excellent. And it was a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restored car. I do have some of the photos that he had. He didn't build it to sell it, guys, though. He built it to drive it and love it. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich Gforce rubber all the way around it. It's got the, and they're nice, the Wilwood 4-wheel disc brake kit in it with the slotted and drilled rotors. Yeah, and this is it's a ZZ4 aluminum headed crate engine, 350 horse, Edelbrock. I'm sorry, it's a Holley 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock aluminum intake on it, ceramic headers. It's got the aluminum water pump on it. You can see it's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets, power steering, power Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage heat and AC, 700R4 trans. You can see how nice he did the car. There's your AC lines. He smoothed the firewall. Of course, and then it's got all new wiring kit in it, and he's hidden all the wires. Aluminum radiator. I might have said the 700R4 overdrive transmission. It's got the lockup converter. Very, very nice car, man. It's got the shoulder harnesses in it, Hounds Tooth interior, bucket seats, console, tilt wheel. It's got 4493 on the odometer. Factory tach and gauge car. Now it looks like a factory AM radio in there, but actually that's just to fill the hole. It's got a aftermarket sound, complete aftermarket sound system in it. There's a remote here in the center console. Dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt. It's a Moser 12 bolt, 411 posi with 31 spline axles in it. Just a little leaf or something. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Car was featured at the Sloan Museum for the 100 Years of Chevrolet. It also won at, I think it's Camaro Fest as well. That's all your sound system. It's funny because if you guys have watched these videos, I'm not a real radio guy. What's that? Oh yeah, he actually did the power tour with this car too. I shouldn't say he did the power tour. He had it at the power tour. He just did the first stretch of it, I think he said. But it's kind of funny. He's not a he's not a big radio guy, which I'm not. And that's what he said. He goes, you know, I said I wouldn't have spent all the money putting this radio in. He said because I never listened to it. See the Flowmaster dual exhaust. Car is just as nice as it is on the top as it is on the bottom. Just a pretty car. I like when I go down the road, man, I want the windows down and I want to listen to the motor. Steering wheel's in great shape. Dash is nice. Again, if you don't want to look at that, you just flip it up and it stays up there. Got Jay fired up here. Get dual electric fans. Just a great car, guys. Front and rear spoilers. Tach works. All your gauges down there working, Jay? Yep. Reverse lights work.
Get a station. Sounds good in here. There's a remote in here too.
Radio works, blower motor works. He's got the little overdrive indicator in there. Again, all your gauges are working. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355.